Hello, my name is Chrissy, co-founder of Yurika Cramp Free Naturally. I've decided to go all natural with my skincare routine because when my husband and I started researching a natural solution for menstrual cramps, we discovered that there are several chemicals in women's cosmetics and skincare products that are endocrine disruptors. The endocrine system regulates a woman's hormones, and if our hormones become imbalanced, this can affect the health of our cycle. When I learned this, my menstrual cramps were so bad, I was willing to do anything to take the edge off. So I started buying natural skincare products. When I scrutinized the ingredients in these products, I learned that the ones that were truly natural had a high price point, and the ones that were more modestly priced claimed to be natural based on one or two ingredients, but in reality, they still contained the same hormone disrupting chemicals. If you're curious to learn more about endocrine disruptors, I recommend you read the book There's Lead in Your Lipstick by Jill Deacon. So, after much trial and error, I have discovered a low-cost, 3-step skincare routine that I would like to share with you. Step 1, I rinse my face with water. If there's any dryness on my skin, I put a little bit of organic coconut oil on those dry spots and rub it in. Step 2, in the evening, I rinse my face with water. I rarely put anything on my skin at night so that when I'm sleeping, my skin's natural oils have an opportunity to find their equilibrium. Step 3, on the days that I feel like my skin looks a little bit dull, I exfoliate. So I use organic ground coffee beans with my good old trusted organic coconut oil. And I just take a little bit of each of them and I put them in the palm of my hand and then I just scrub them all over my face and rinse with water. I usually don't put anything on my face after I exfoliate because the coconut oil leaves a nice amount of moisture and I like my freshly exfoliated skin to breathe. I enjoy using the coffee grounds because I feel like it really stimulates the blood flow to my skin. On the days that I'm out in the sun, I just put coconut oil on my skin because it is a natural SPF of 8. If you'd like to learn more about natural sunscreens, I've posted a link to an article in the description below. This skincare routine, along with a healthy lifestyle, has given me the confidence to not wear makeup and bare the skin that God has given me. I know it takes courage to go all natural, but if you give this skincare routine a try, I think you'll be surprised by the results and happy with the time and money that you save. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and I hope to connect with you again soon.